Hey guys, my name is Nicole Scott, and today we're going to be talking about how to build business credit. Hey guys, my name is Nicole Scott, and today we're going to be talking about how to build business credit. It is a topic that a lot of people talk about, but not a lot of people want to give you all of the steps. So they make it seem like it's so easy and anyone can do it. But I'm here to tell you there is definitely a process that you need to go through. There are strategic methods that you need to use in order to establish your business credit and understand what the hell you're doing. So that's what I'm here for. My name is Credit Coach Nicole Scott. I help entrepreneurs with business credit, with personal credit, with credit coaching, with business coaching, and a lot of other things. So you can always head over to our website, therealnicolescott.com, or you can check out some of the links below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you are looking to start a business, start a credit repair business, build business credit, build wealth, you are in the right place today, folks, because my name is Nicole Scott and this is what I do. I fired my boss 1 year into my business, and now this is what I do full-time, day in and day out. So things are always changing, things are always updating, but I try to give you the realest and the most valid information for you guys to make an educated decision on. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about some of the vendors that you can actually start building business credit with. And this is so awesome because a lot of these vendors are not going to be dependent upon your personal credit. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So Brex is one of my favorite business credit cards when it comes to building business credit. So if you are a venture-backed business and you are making at least $50,000 per month in your business bank accounts, Brex is going to be a wonderful option for you. And let me tell you guys why. Because this is a credit card that you can use anywhere. And with the reward system that they have, they literally pay you to spend money. There are so many amazing benefits when you become a Brex member. Not only are they rewarding you by giving you an extra $25,000 points for spending after spending $1,000, and they're giving you priority customer service. So Brex is by far one of my favorite business credit cards to use because not only are they going to be rewarding you for everything that you spend, but there's a ton of different benefits. You can get payroll discounts. You can get a lot of different discounts when you are an account holder with Brex. And by using our link with Brex, you'll actually earn an additional $25,000 points after only spending $1,000. Now, here's something that you guys need to know about Brex and any other credit account out there. Understand your terms when you sign up for them. So Brex is similar to like a Net 30 account, meaning once you apply with them and you spend, you're going to have to pay that spend back within 30 days, but you do get rewarded for it. But the great thing about it is you're not paying any interest on that. And I don't recommend paying interest on your expenses. You want to get rewarded. So for those of you that spend a lot of money every month on different expenses for your business, you can put all of those expenses onto a business credit card and actually start earning rewards for all of your expenses. You can also use other companies out there. There's Plastique. If you have my business credit ebook, you'll know all about that. But let's talk about why Brex. So Brex is actually, like I said, one of my favorite business credit accounts. And the reason being is because one of them is they have the ability to give you multiple cards. So if you have multiple employees and you want them to have like a temporary card, you can have that. There's so many different benefits that people have by getting a Brex card. So this is actually one of the fastest financial platforms for fast growing companies. And I'm going to tell you something. The support that you get with Brex is going to be totally worth it. This is literally going to be your all-in-one system when it comes to ACH, credit, capital, everything that you're going to need is going to be all in one system. And they have it set up so nicely so you can actually apply with them and check it out for yourselves. Now, take a look at some of their credit products. So they have a business account. They have, oh my goodness, it's so exciting. They have so many awesome rewards. There's no more bank fees. You get live support. You get priority customer service. They have credit cards. You can earn up to 8 times the points on all of your spend, which is way higher than most credit cards out there. So you can actually, if you have certain spend that you're going to get 8 times the reward points are, by all means, sign up for Brex. If you use rideshare, if you use Brex Travel, 4 times on restaurants, 3 times on recurring software, and 1 time on the rest. So if you are spending money on a monthly basis for your business, like cash or debit or anything where you're not putting it on a credit card, you are missing the boat, because Brex is literally going to pay you 8 times on rideshare, 5 times on Brex Travel, so it has to be Brex approved travel, and 4 times on restaurants. So that is huge. Okay. And Brex is considered more of like a fintech company. And that's really why I like these type of fintech companies, is because of the fact that they are willing to, support these venture-backed companies, even though they are startup companies. They know that they're venture-backed. So if you are a venture-backed company and you can prove that you're making at least $50,000 in your business bank accounts on a monthly basis, Brex is going to be the company that you're going to want to start a relationship with. They have some amazing benefits once you sign up to become a Brex customer. Not to mention, they have a business account. So you can deposit funds and you can send free wires. Did you hear me now? Free wires. So if you are paying money with your current bank to send wires, you can actually save on those wire expenses with Brex. They also have an expense tracking log, so they can issue cards, match receipts, run reports. They have integrations that sync and close your books faster. They have bill pay. They have financial modeling. They have so many amazing rewards that it's literally like, why are you not having a Brex card, right? If you are a business owner, you should totally have Brex. You can use our link to apply, and some of the perks that are worth over $150,000 with Brex are all of these different things in here. So you can see you get 40% off the first 12 months of QuickBooks. You can earn 3 times on eligible Apple purchases, including watch, Mac, iPhone, and iPad. You can earn up to 100K credits via AWS Active, in addition to 5K AWS credits for all new Brex customers. So that's huge. That is huge, man. Save over 50% of the time when you ship using UPS. Gusto, that's really what got my attention, because if you're looking for a payroll processing company, Gusto is very affordable. And when you are a Brex client, you get 50% off any plan for 12 months. So these are things that you, as a business owner, you're going to need. Payroll, Gusto is a perfect match, right? They're affordable. They specialize in payroll, so you don't have to worry about making any mistakes. QuickBooks, that's what I use. QuickBooks is great, and they're offering 40% off the first 12 months of QuickBooks. Slack, that's another one. You get 25% off the first 12 months for any Slack paid plan. Slack is great for communication. Google Ads, you get up to $150 in Google Ads. 50% off Experian for the first year in the business credit monitoring, and $10,000 credits on Freshworks Suite. Oh, this is crazy. This is just crazy. So the link is below for you guys to go ahead and become a member with Brex. I'm a huge fan of Brex. So go ahead and use our link because it helps support our channel. And believe me when I tell you guys, you are not going to be disappointed, because by you using this link, what it is going to do, it is going to give you $25,000 in rewards points after only spending $1,000 in spend. Plus, you're going to get priority customer service. Who else is giving you priority customer service? Brex. You know why? Because they want Bay Area businesses. They want venture-backed Bay Area businesses. And me being Nicole Scott, who is from the Bay Area, I highly encourage all my Bay Area businesses and beyond to go ahead and apply with Brex. So until next time, guys, make sure to check out my video, How to Build Business Credit. Check out the playlist on how to get American Express cards, and I will see you soon. And if you haven't by now, make sure that you have subscribed, make sure that you have commented and liked our videos, because guess what? Your support to this channel is what we're looking for. I just need you to hit that like button, not the down one, but the up one, okay? Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know if you found value. If you have any questions, I'm here. So till next time, guys, take care.